Alright, so I figured I would come out and see what the chopping ability is of this axe. Spoiler alert, I actually already whacked a few pieces. All I did was run the puck along that edge a little bit, and I removed some of that varnish, as well as coated the handle actually in some Rem oil, so I had it laying around. Seems to be okay, but I'll tell you what, I put it on some honey locust and it just ate it up. So I have some other stuff here that's a little questionable at best, and we're going to try that too. So first up is, I believe this is apple. This is a terrible stump, by the way. This is not my usual cutting surface. Gerg. I feel like I should probably use the other stump. You know what? Let's do that, because this is going to be a recipe in disaster. Okay, so we're back. This is somewhat level, I think. We're going to try this apple. See if we can bring this up a little bit. Alright. Hopefully my phone doesn't get destroyed here. You know what? Let's move it. Alright. Well, that worked. Let's try some, I think this is hickory or oak. This is oak. And it's wet. Hasn't dried, so see how that works. Again, $27 axe. May work, may not work. Appears it works. Here is some more questionable wood. And it feels really good in the hand. Yep. So that one took a little bit, but got her done. I really would like to put that leather wrap on here, I think. Just in case I do miss or hit it with a glancing blow. We're not eating this up, but so far it's working good. Let's try one more piece. Let's try that. Here we go. Now, yeah, probably better off with a hatchet doing this, but well, guess it works. All right, what about bucking? Well, I'm going to say definitely maybe. This is a little short for that, but it's a nasty knot. Let's just try this side here. Great googly moogly. That's got a bite. So I'd have to say yes. Yes, it will buck. So, it does cut, it does buck, it does split. No wobble whatsoever. Feels pretty good. And there's nothing with that blade that I'm going to complain about. So, I guess we'll take it in and see what other upgrades we can do to it. Catch you guys on the next one.